What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an on-brand video from an image by creating a simple automation on make.com. Let's get started. So this is an example video that we are going to create from an image that we're going to source from a folder. In our Google Drive folder itself is called hotel images. So on automation, the first thing we're going to do is on Google Drive, I'm going to watch files in a folder. And then here we're going to watch files by create a time and then choose a folder that we like to watch. I like to watch our hotel images folder on our Google Drive. Here we can limit it to 1 and then click on OK. And then here we can choose to start from now, a specific date, all, or choose manually. I'm going to choose manually, then click on one of our images right here and click on OK. And then here, I'll run this module and see if we can get our image. You can see that we're getting our image right here. With our image, we can proceed and create an on-brand video for a hotel from this image right here. Now, here, I'm choosing manually because I already have our images on our folder. But if you'd like to trigger this module, after you've uploaded an image on the folder, you'll choose to start from now. I'll rename this module to hotel image and click on OK. And now here, I'll add another module, and on Google Drive, I'll click on get a share link and create a link for our image. For the file ID, I'm going to add our file ID right here. For the role, you can leave it as reader. For the type, I'm going to choose anyone, then click on OK. I'll rename this module to hotel image link and then click on OK. To create an on-brand video from an image, I'm going to use this tool called Placid. To create the on-brand videos, you'll need to create a template for the video that you like to create. Now to create a template, just click on Create Template. And here, you'll find the various templates that you can use to create a video from our image. You can choose the sizes, which could be feet square, open graph, Pinterest, story, Twitter card, app, article, course, document, e-commerce, event, markup, podcast, quotes, real estate, and user statistics right here. I'm going to choose to create a template using the story size, which is 1080 by 1920. And then here you can pick one of the templates that resonate with the video that you're trying to create. If you'd like to create a hotel video, you can use this as a template. If you're trying to create a podcast video, you can use this as a template. If you're running like an e-commerce brand, you can use this as a template. Now, since we would like to create a video, a short video for a hotel, I'm going to use this as our template and click on create. I'll rename our template right here and rename it to new holiday offer, then click on OK. After renaming your template, you can also edit your template. You can change the image, you can edit the title, you can edit the description, the price, and the font. Now, after customizing your template, click on Save to save it. Now, after saving it, on Make, here I'll add another module and search for Placid. Then click on Placid. And then here, we'd like to create a video. So I'm going to click on Create a Video module. Here, you'll need to create a connection between Placid and make.com by clicking on Add. And then renaming your connection right here and adding your API token over here. To get your API tokens, just click on API tokens and then copy your API token. And then come and paste it right here, then click on Save, and your connection will be created. But since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close it and choose my connection right here. For the clips, I'm going to click on Add Clips and choose our template right here, which is the new holiday offer, the one that we just created. For the media type, we're going to add our image. Our image URL will come from our Get Share Link module right here. So we build this link over here. Here we can add our price. Let's say we are charging $790. For the title, we can give it a brilliant title. We can give it a title like Heaven Suits, where luxury meets comfort. You can also add a description right here. And the description could be the lines of discover a tranquil escape with world-class amenities and personalized service for an unforgettable stay. And then here I'm going to click on OK. After creating our video, we can add the video to a Google spreadsheet where we'll add the link to our video. On Google Sheet, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to video spreadsheet. Here we have a column that I've renamed to videos link. here's the column that we're going to add the link to our video after we've created it using our automation. I'm going to search for Google Sheet. Then I'll click on add a raw module. I'll choose our spreadsheet. Our spreadsheet is called video spreadsheet. For our sheet name, I'll choose video sheet. The table contains headers. Now for the videos link column, we'll add its value from Placid right here, which will be this video URL. And then here I'm going to click on OK. I'll rename this to video link and then click on OK. Since I already have images on our hotel images folder on Google Drive, I'm going to choose to create our video using this image right here. So here, I'll choose where to start and then choose manually. And then I'm going to choose our image right here and then click on OK. And now to generate our video from that image, I'll click on run once. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here we got our image, which is this image, from our Google Drive folder. Then we created a link for our image right here using this module. And then we created our video, and this is the video URL. And then we added this video URL to our spreadsheet. Now on our spreadsheet, you'll see the link to the video that we just created. Here, I'll open it on a new tab. Here is the video that we just created with our title, description, and the price. And with this incredible image right here. We can choose to create another video using this image, using our automation. To do that, I'm going to choose our image right here. Click on choose manually. Choose our image, then click on OK. And then run automation again. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here we got our image right here. Then we created the link to the image over here. Then we are adding the link to our image to Placid and creating this video right here, this URL. And then we are adding the video URL to our spreadsheet right here. When we open our spreadsheet, you will see a second link to the second video that we just created using our second image. I'll open the second video on a new tab right here. And here you can see the second video that we just created using our second image. So these are the two videos that we created from an image using the simple automation that we created on make.com. So this is a simple automation that you can create right now on Make and create an on-brand video from an image using the Placid app. Thank you for watching. Now, if you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like to create, just comment down below in the comment section. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.